Cozy is the name of the game, you know? I've been collecting some stuff for the past few weeks for the cabin, and I'm going to start decorating it, so I'm going to bring you along with me and show you what I come up with. So we're going to do this table first.
Yeah.
See the table?
Yeah.
Here, you want to play with this? Here you go. This is pretty cool. It's a folding table.
Yeah.
Right here.
Wow.
Okay, let's try. We have these chairs here, also folding. I think it goes like this. And that goes like, I feel like it's a little, oh, because it wasn't down all the way. Got this cute candle holder from Goodwill. Hudson is just filling the fireplace with wood. You make Mama some tea?
Yeah.
Can I have some milk and sugar in my tea?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. That's good tea.
Yeah.
Oh, great. So this is gonna fall apart the minute I put it on. And it's like broken. I got these for the big window in case people are uncomfortable at night when it's dark and they don't know what's lurking, all the animals peeking in. And it was perfect because it actually matched the bedding and the pillow. So that was a win. I have to see if it's actually going to fit because I saw it and I eyed it. I didn't know exactly the dimensions, so then that to there. It fits perfectly. You know, I'll just kind of like tie it to the side. I got this gold pole to go with it, or whatever, rod. But I don't have any screws or anything, so I'm gonna have to do that later. And I got this chalkboard for guests. I can kind of send them a little welcome. Here, you want to try it? Come here. Look, you want to draw?
Yeah.
Here you go. Drawing. Good job. And then you like this. And I got one of these temperature readers. I think it works. I'm not going to be using this for under here because it's too thin. I got a couple books too. Tons of photos from above, from all over the world, which is pretty awesome. And then I have to clean this a little. There's a coffee stain on it, but less is more, yes. It's true. This pillow was on sale. I think I got it for like $14 or something. Which is nice. It's the exact color I was looking for. I do have normal bed pillows that I have to bring in here. I got this like velvet sham to go on one of them just to, because these big pillows here are velvet. This is velvet too, so it's pretty cohesive and cozy is the name of the game, you know? Okay. And this is just a throw. I got this quilt for summer, and then winter we're gonna get a down comforter. I don't really know how to make a daybed, so I'm kind of winging it, but, and I don't think I showed this bed, but this pulls out for like a queen or a full bed, and then these mattresses unstack, so you got this like huge bed, which is pretty awesome. Yeah. All done. Okay, now I'll put this back on.
Okay.
I don't really know how to style throw blankets either. You just throw them, I'm guessing? Scissors are dangerous. Making beds is not my forte, if you can tell. So it's also supposed to be used as like a couch, so I gotta kind of style it for that too. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. I have all these pretty flowers that I got, and I have all these little tiny vases I can hang on the little window sill. Not hang, but place on the windowsill. Some creamers, some coffee. These crystals are so pretty. I have them in most of the rooms of my house. So when the sun shines through, you've got rainbows inside everywhere. It's so pretty. All right, so far this is what I've got for the inside. I've got the bed, some plants. We named it Maple Nook because it's surrounded by maples. I found the perfect table. All of these fold up, so I'm gonna be able to get hooks. Maybe I'll hang them on the wall over there when they're not in use. Still trying to figure out the pillow situation. I haven't sorted out the kitchen area either. I'm still working on that. I have a little compost toilet here. We're gonna build an outhouse soon, and I think we're gonna put it back here. We're in the process of, we're putting tons of bank fill all over here, everywhere, because we're so low. So we're gonna build up the whole landscaping and then put gravel on top of it. So I'm hoping that works. We've started over here, as you can see. We have a lot to go, but that'll be the next video. Kind of the landscaping, and then the fire pit's gonna be out there. So yeah, that is where we're at. Oh, fire started. And we got these barn boards today from a place down the road. We're gonna make some floating shelves up there, and also gonna paint the trim here and kind of fix that door. We're gonna fill it with wood fill and paint over it. So those are kind of the plans. We've got the halo here helping us out with a little extra light. It is currently 60 degrees. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think?
I think it looks pretty damn good.
Yeah. So for now, this is what the shelf is gonna look like. I'll probably move things around again, but there's that. We finished the door. We put that plastic wood in there, and we're gonna let it dry overnight and then sand it and repaint that area because that looks absolutely